Every thought is a prayer, and every thought of love is an affirmation that when I give love, it comes right back to me. Today's daily word is love, and the affirmation is, I am divine love in expression. I am a creative spiritual being, and the substance with which I create is divine love. This includes the loving feelings I may experience as my day unfolds. There are important elements, but divine love exists deeper than feelings at the very core of my being. The Trappist monk and author Thomas Merton described love as an intensification of life. My life today is deepened and strengthened by the creative intensity I bring to every choice. It is only by allowing the substance of love to shape my day that I can intensify my life experiences and be a blessing to others. I am divine love in expression, and my heart is open to every opportunity the day will bring to share that love with others. I am divine love in expression. Take just a moment to still yourself and take a deep, relaxing breath. Hold it to the count of 3, and then release it. As you do this again and you inhale, I invite you to think the word I, and hold it to the count of 3. And as you exhale, am. I am. Just the simple words, I am, is your definition of love. I am loved. I am lovable. I am loving. Charles Fillmore, Unity's co-founder, said love is the great harmonizer and healer. Whoever calls on God as Holy Spirit for healing is calling on divine love. Divine love will bring your own to you, adjust all misunderstandings, and make your life and affairs healthy, happy, harmonious, and free. As we move deeper into the silence, take a deep breath, hold it to the count of 3, and the word I, and then release it, thinking am. I am. I am loved. I am lovable. I am loving. And let's do that one more time. Inhale deeply, thinking the word I. Hold for the count of 3. Exhale slowly, thinking the word am. I am. I am loved. I am lovable. I am loving. And now silently to yourself, as you continue to breathe normally, repeating these words in your mind. I am loved. I am lovable. I am loving, in the silence. Continue to breathe normally. And as you slowly return your attention to this now moment, remember the words that Jesus spoke. Love one another as I have loved you. And as you continue your day, contemplate all of the love you'll be giving to everyone you encounter, starting with yourself. Whatever difficulty or challenge you may be facing, you only have to look inside yourself, and you'll know the answer to the question, what's love got to do with it? Everything. It's all about love. Love yourself. Love your neighbor as yourself. The gospel in one word is love. And so it is.